Oh, that's for sure. I saw the phone there, cannot avoid that. It's a small black Mini. Afternoon, ma'am. Yeah, you wouldn't have had a fright if you were paying attention to what was going on around you and not on your phone.
Well, no, my son is on a trip and I just had to
you can't do that.
He's okay.
I'm still going to report it, I'm afraid.
I thought I was in a traffic jam, so I got such a shock.
But you're right, you're no danger from me, so carry on. It's a very good sign as to why you're supposed to pay attention, huh?